Wow. I won the Skool games. Okay, let me explain. So, VoiceOver School, which you guys know I talk about all the time, I really push it on this channel. We won Best Community. Well, there's a bunch of people that won Best Community. They have different categories, and the top 5 people won. And for our category, VoiceOver School won. And they give us this cool trophy, which they're not kidding. It's heavy. This thing is heavy. Look at this box it comes in. This is a serious box. And this is going to go right up here. It's funny. I first heard about the Skool platform. I was already coaching professionally, and I was doing it primarily through Zoom. And then I heard about Skool from Alex Hormozi. I was following him for a long time. He's got really great business advice. If you don't know who Alex is and you're trying to be an entrepreneur running a small business, check him out. His channel is just fire. It's amazing. Incredible author too. His books are nuts. So I learned about Skool from him, and I signed up for the platform. And I was not prepared for what was going to happen over the next, I guess, 2 years. We've had VoiceOver School now. Not only did it provide me with so much fulfillment and so many friends and so many relationships that I never would have had, it's changed my life, but not just mine. So many people inside the community. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you to the owners of Skool. Thank you, Sam Ovens, for creating Skool. Thank you, Andrew Kirby, for helping me during the 100, for also being an incredible owner of Skool. And of course, Alex Hormozi. Thank you for doing everything that you do, pumping everybody full of so much free value over the years. Just crazy. You're a heck of a role model, my man. Yeah, so the cool thing about winning the Skool games is all the winners from all the different categories, we all get to go to LA, and we get to have a mastermind with Sam, Andrew, and Alex, which is super cool. We're all going to learn about how to make our communities even better. We're going to learn more about business, entrepreneurship, all that stuff, which I'm highly interested in. All the things that'll make me a better coach, make the VoiceOver School community even better, and my own voiceover career. You know, if you're in voiceover and you're not learning about business and entrepreneurship, you're leaving money on the table. And I've learned so much over the last 2 years. You know, I'm so grateful to be a part of the platform. And when I first got on the platform, they had a competition / kind of mastermind thing. It was like a 100-day sprint called the 100, and they picked 100 different communities that all applied. I applied, and I got in. They taught me a lot of cool business skills, a lot of marketing skills, a lot of business skills, a lot of ways to make the community even better for people. And that's what it's all about. At the end of the day, you know, it's funny when I got in Skool, it was like you see all these other communities and they're crushing it. And there's people on Skool that are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. And you kind of get distracted by that, the shiny object at times. And this is what I learned over the last 2 years in Skool, is it really is about community. It's about people. It's about creating something special, a safe place for people to go and be themselves. It's almost like a refuge away from the rest of the world, especially with so much going on these days, you know? And that's one thing I didn't really plan for when I got into Skool. I just wanted to teach people about voiceover. I was good at it. I got a lot of good results. And that was like my primary driver, was to like help people do voiceover. But I didn't realize how many friendships and connections and relationships that would, you know, happen through Skool. So I'm eternally grateful for that. And yeah, again, thank you, Sam, Andrew, Alex, the rest of the Skool team, everybody that's helped me along the way, answered my crazy emails. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, that's all I got to say about that. And if any of you watching are thinking about starting a Skool community, do it. It's worth it. It's amazing. And it'll change your life. Oh, wait, we're going to LA this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1,000,000 notes. And when I come back, all you guys who watch this channel, I am going to tell you everything that I learned. Not just lessons that pertain to like VoiceOver School community, all the things that make it so great, but the things that you can pertain to your own voiceover career too, to help you get to the next level. And to everybody in VoiceOver School community, of course, to you guys, I can't forget you. Thank you for making it such a great place to wake up and jump into. All of you that have been there a while and take ownership on the place and make it so awesome for all the new people and myself, like, this is yours too. You guys really made this place, you know, VoiceOver School, you made it something special. Probably the greatest thing I've ever done. And I will be eternally grateful. And man, You have no idea what this means to me. Thank you so much, everybody at Skool. Thank you so much to everybody in VoiceOver School. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. More stuff to come for this channel, for VoiceOver School. And we're just going to keep making it better and better and better until we have, they hold this competition every quarter, until we have these flame trophies all the way across on multiple levels. I'm never satisfied. Thank you so much, guys. You built something special with the Skool platform, and I'm eternally grateful that you did. And looking forward to the future and looking forward to seeing you guys in LA. Okay, I lied. More people to thank. Thank you, Lucas Chitwood, who is the community manager of VoiceOver School. I could not have done this without you, sincerely. Thank you to Dave Beeson, our all-star coach in VoiceOver School and the author of Authentic Commercial Voiceover. This trophy is as much yours as it is mine, but I'm going to hold on to it. Mark Grau, you're a legend. You're the legendary Mark Grau. Thanks so much for being a part of the community and really elevating everything that we do inside there. And yeah, helping us educate people in the best way possible. I'm doing this off the top of my head, guys. Thanks, Mark, for being amazing. You're just an all-around salt of the earth guy and an incredibly gifted and skilled coach and demo producer and VO. And if you haven't checked out Mark Grau, check him out. Check out Dave Beeson as well. And yeah, to all the other wonderful people that make the community that it is. Thank you, guys. And if I forgot to name anybody specifically, don't hate me. Every single one of you in VoiceOver School is part of this. 381 people strong right now, and we're getting stronger every day. Thank you, everybody in VoiceOver School, all the coaches, all the mentors in there, all the people running peer-led classes and everything. Mandy, Cal, Kevin, Ariana Luckett, everybody, all y'all. Oh my God, almost forgot. Thank you to my fiance, Heather, and my son, Jackson. Thank you for letting me spend endless days and nights trying to make VoiceOver School as good as I possibly can and really up in the game with this thing. Thanks so much, and I'm sorry that I have been a ghost. It's hard making these communities, man. They've been super cool, letting me just spend countless hours creating courses and material and everything for the community, and you know, answering messages and posts and all that kind of stuff. And thank you for letting me go on this journey. To my wonderful family, Heather and Jackson, you guys are the best, and I love you so much. And I love you guys. Thanks for supporting this channel. Lots of stuff to come. All right, I'm out for real this time.